Hello, welcome fourth graders to this Thursday's video. Yesterday we practiced recognizing partial products model, and now we're going to actually use it to solve these, learn a little bit more via practice here. So the goal in this first example, so select the correct product represented by this partial products area model. So what is the whole width of this top large rectangle? That would be 20 plus 3, 23. Now what about the height over here? This would be 10 plus 5, or 15. So the area of the whole rectangle would be 15 times 23, or 23 times 15. And that's the one we're looking for. How about down here? Which options show possible correct steps in solving the partial product represented? Okay, so what is 10 times 20? That would be 10 times 20, or 200. Over here, we would have the area of this would be 3 times 10, or 30. The area of this rectangle down here would be 5 times 20, or 100. And the area of this little guy would be 3 times 5, or 15. Okay, so which of these could potentially be used as correct steps in solving this? So here we have 10 times 20, so that would be this big the biggest of the 4 smaller rectangles. 10 times 3, that's the one there. 5 times 20 is this flat one here, and the little one 5 times 3, or 3 times 5. So this is one possible combination. What about this one? 10 times 23, so they're doing the height of that much times the width of all the way over. So 10 times 23, that's true, as well as plus the height of this bottom portion times the width of all the way over, 5 times 23. So that's another correct possible step. These would not make sense. 20 times 5, that would be the area of this rectangle down here, and then the 10 times 3. So this answer choice only accounts for this and this area. So that's not correct. And 15 times 25, that's doesn't actually refer completely. There's 15 here, but 25 is nowhere here on here, so that's definitely a wrong choice. Okay, question 3. Let's solve this using partial products. Okay, so if we made this 10 and 3, that would account for our 13, and then along the top, 18 would be made up of 10 and 8 more. Okay, then what is 10 times 10? This would be an area of 100. 8 times a height of 10 would be 80. Here a height of 3 and a width of 10. 3 times 10 would be 30. And this rectangle over here, 3 times 8 would be 24. So if we added those all together, we'd end up with, oh, did we do that right? 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's a 3 down here. Put the 3 in the wrong spot. That didn't make sense. So that's 13, and then over here in the 100 spot, 1 and 1 makes 2. So 234 is what we're looking for on that example. Let's do one more. So 21 times 34. So if this was 20 and 1 more, there's our 21, times the width of 34, so if this is 30, and 4, So 20 times 30 would be 600. 20 times 4 would be 80 for this rectangle over here. 1 times 30 is 30. 1 times 4 is 4. So if we add those together, 600 and 80 and 30 and 4. So that's 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 6, 7. So 7. Oh, why did I put a 0 there? It's obviously a 4. So 714 is what we're looking for today. Okay, that covers it for today's quiz, and have a great day.